If you click on this video, it's because you want to know whether or not AI will be the same as today in the future. So this video will be divided in 3 different parts. At the beginning, I will tell you what is that I think is going to happen, what is that we have to do in order to be able to future-proof our company. And at the end of the video, I will give you some ideas where actually you can start creating today, be ready and be ahead in the future as well. And everything that I'm saying is with reasoning. So I'm actually telling you why I think specific things, and I'm not just saying random stuff just for the sake of saying things. So is this new thing just a trend? I mean, AI business, AI automation. Yeah, I mean, the AI automation agency business model is something that is starting to pick up the last few months, but that's fine. I mean, it's just a business model, and the business itself is not that different from the social media agencies. So more or less, we are always in the same spot. But something we need to understand is whether AI is going to be here in the future, or if this is something like, let's say, the metaverse, or this is something like NFTs, or this new technology, revolutionary technology that we had 2-3 years ago. We were like, this thing is never going away, and eventually it did. So to go and trying to be super specific and try to understand why I'm thinking this thing is not going anywhere, try and ask yourself a question. How many people today are using NFTs every single day? I'm not talking about people selling courses on NFTs. I'm saying how many companies, businesses, or even normal people are using NFTs every single day. Every single day. I don't know anybody that uses NFTs. Now ask yourself these questions. How many people working in the metaverse, using the metaverse in the business every single day? I don't know anybody using the metaverse. Maybe 2 people in the past 2 years. And now think about, I'm saying ChatGPT because that is the mainstream tool that everybody knows, but I'm just using ChatGPT as an example. How many people today are using ChatGPT every single day? A lot of people. And now think, I'm saying, okay, you know what? From tomorrow on, you're not allowed to use ChatGPT anymore. Would you be able to go back and run your business or do whatever you do every single day without ChatGPT? Yes, you will be able to do it, but how uncomfortable that will be, because now if I have to do something, it's super fast, it's super easy with ChatGPT. Again, I'm using ChatGPT as an example, and once you have it, it's super difficult to go back. So this is what I'm trying to say. This technology is not going anywhere. This thing will be in everybody's life every single day, and it's not just a trend. Maybe again, all these different clickbait content things that we see on YouTube, yes, that could be something that is just a trend, but the core technology, the applications that we have in the technology for businesses, for people in general, this is something that is not going away anytime soon. Actually, is growing. We have new technologies, new tools, new things that we can do thanks to AI in the medical field. I don't see any NFTs helping people in the medical fields. Maybe the metaverse could be something, but again, AI is here to stay. So you can relax and not be afraid of this thing going away anytime soon. But now let's try to break down the second aspect, so the second section of this video, and try to understand the AI automation business, the AI automation space, and this is something actually sustainable and it is here for long term. My opinion is that I don't think this will be something that we can keep doing for long. Let me explain. You can sell today, you can sell a chatbot to a business. You can, and you can do monthly retainer, and you can have the business working with you, and you can work with the business and build a relationship and build the automation for the business. That's fine, and that's something that today you can do. But I think in 1 year, 1 year and a half, 2 years, this is not the case anymore. And since we are in the business of doing business long term, if we think about chatbots, that is not the way to go. The AI automation, that is not something that we can have the same way we have it today in the future. So am I saying we will be unable to sell chatbots? Maybe in some instances, maybe in some cases, yes, we will still be able to do it. But what will happen in the future is we will have a platform or whatever the case might be, something where people can go and buy ready to use chatbots, because nowadays the most frustrating aspect of chatbots or automations is the building process. So the main reason why we are unable to scale our business is because we have to build a tool, integrate it with the business, try to make it work and test it, and that takes away a lot of time. So in the future, all these things will be a commodity, so it will be super cheap to get. And again, we will probably have a platform where you can go and buy the ready-to-use chatbot, the ready-to-use automation, so everybody will be able to have access to this thing. So the AI automation agency will be a business that is super hard to sell to business owners, because if I'm a business owner and I have my knowledge about Google or how to use technology in general, I will do that. You know, I may probably hire a developer for a month, whatever, buy this tool from this platform and then integrate it into my business. I won't be using an AI automation agency in the future. So how we can prepare our company, how we can prepare our agency for the future in order not to lose customers, because eventually, trust me, that will happen. We need to start understanding today what we can do that we can sell in 5 years, in 10 years, in 20 years, something that we can keep our business sustainable in the future as well. Start building solutions. We need to build solutions. If you create solutions for businesses, that is something that will never go out of date. Business will keep using whatever the service you have, and they don't care if you use AI, they don't care if you use magic. The only thing they want is results. And to give you an idea or something you can start building today, start building an AI agency that has the focus on creating value for a company related, for example, in getting new customers. So you can approach businesses and say, hey, I have a process that gets you customers. And I'm not saying do something like I see all these people doing advertisement on, I can get you 45 new leads in 30 days. I'm not talking about that bullshit. I'm talking about real results and automation where the business has to integrate something that already has into the AI that you maybe create for this business in the future. So how you can create this for the future? Start building something that I can get customers, new customers. I'm thinking, for example, about Air AI tool they're building. I'm sure that specific tool or some tools similar to that in the future will be something that business will be using every single day. Start building something that is valuable. Don't just focus yourself on chatbots. Yes, right now you can, start a business and having cash flow with chatbots. That's fine. I'm not saying stop doing that. I'm just saying bear in mind that you can't sell chatbots forever, because eventually technology will catch up and your job will be just out of date, and you need to have a business that is sustainable again for a lot of years, not just 1 year, 6 months. So start building technologies for the future, start building value, and the tool that you use, that is up to you. Again, use AI, yes, but the business owner wants to have results and wants to have solutions. So to sum up all this video, AI is not going anywhere. We will keep having implementation, new technologies, new way to do things, and this thing will grow every single day and every single year. Maybe the rate of growth will be different, but I'm sure this thing is here to stay, because again, NFTs, the metaverse, those things, I don't see people use them every single day. I mean, right now at least, especially the NFTs, but maybe in the future that is something that people will start using. But AI is different. AI is something that we are actually seeing in a lot of different fields, medical fields, in the music industry, in customer service, in everything. So I think this is something that we will see and will grow in the next few years. Position yourself to be future-proof and be ahead of the competition. Even doing sacrifices right now and investing maybe in something that doesn't work, do your test, fail, and once you start building something interesting, you will build something valuable, and that is the only way to be in business, because you can build chatbots, but that is not the way to do business forever in the future. With that said, let me know what you think in the comments. You have all the tools that I use for free in my free Discord. I don't have anything, any subscription, any mastermind. Everything that I say is free. Everything is in my Discord as well. If you like this type of content, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel so you help my channel grow, and maybe this content can reach more people like you or people interested in AI and technology as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video.